What happens, folks, is if you're managing money and you get past $1 trillion, your mind changes, your brain changes. And only Chris Ailman is grounded. He's with the California State Teachers Retirement System. We're thrilled he could join us in studio. How much do you manage this week? I mean,
Tom, come on, $330 billion.
Okay, $330 billion. And he's grounded. And what I love about him, at the back end of his note, and he's right on tune with the calendar, sell in May and go away. Really? Do you feel that?
The old adages, and we all three understand the old adages, no shot there, but still are in play. And I really wonder, Tom, I mean, the market has come up so much this year. It's nuts.
Okay. Jason Furman, out with a great endowment view. He's got like 20, 30 colleges, and they're all doing single-digit return. Even the best ones, I'm barely doing double-digit return. Do you manage for total return for the best outcome you can get, or do you manage to an actuarial assumption of 7 or 8%?
Actuarial assumption. And so we're different, and that's why our asset allocation is different than the endowments. Number one, I can't go out and hit you up for a big contribution just to help boost my fund.
Lisa can.
Yeah, well, and we generally are looking at trying to make that 7 as a pace per mile in a marathon. It is literally a 30-year outlook for us because teachers live so long. So I use fixed income where they don't. I have only 50% in privates, only 50. Well, they can be up to 80 because they can handle illiquidity.
So what is the asset allocation of the state of California these days? And maybe how has it changed?
Yeah, well, the state of California, you and I bought a lot of municipal bonds.
Yep.
They're in an interesting position. But in terms of CalSTRS, we're still pretty close to our long-term 70-30, roughly,
okay.
80-20 kind of asset allocation. Got about 45% in fixed or in equities. We've got 15 in private equity, 15 in real estate. Those haven't moved just because those markets are frozen. We're about 12 in fixed income, but fixed income's hiding in other parts of the portfolio. We have inflation sensitive at 7, and then another asset category that's fairly new called risk mitigating strategies. It's about 8%, almost 10%.
A risk mitigating strategy is when you yell down the hallway, empty the dishwasher. And the child, that's a risk mitigating strategy.
Exactly. Chris, what do you make of this market? I think a lot of folks, when they look at the equity markets, I mean, we had this big run off of those lows in October. You know, earnings are good, but are they that good to support this market? How do you feel about just kind of where we are in this market here?
I am surprised. I'm going around New York this week talking to my private equity partners, and they are telling me that business is so strong. Every airport I went through was absolutely packed. Every plane was packed.
Yep.
Every restaurant in New York. I can't believe how busy Manhattan is. It's not true in San Francisco, not true on the West Coast, but streets are busy again. So the economy is strong. The earnings are real.
Paul's led on this. Why? Ken Griffin's building a new tower south of the Diamond Tower. We got the Diamond Tower, we got the Ken Griffin Tower. New York seems to have a pop to it. I get it. And that other geographies, not just San Francisco, but say, smaller cities as well, they're basically flat on their back. Is it work from home? Why?
It is work from home, Tom, and it's changing the nature. When I talk to, not surprising, private equity wants people back 4 days and really wink, wink, 5 days.
No.
On the West Coast, that's not true at all. We're
wink,
2 days a week. And
wink.
Yeah, they really push back on even 4 days a week. Wow. Look at tech. So I think the thing that shocks me about this market, and you guys talk about it a lot, the market was looking for 6 cuts just 4 months ago. Now they're talking about maybe 1, and if anything, a rate hike, and it's taken it in stride. So I think it's strong earnings. It's the base of the market, and then it's all this change in AI. That AI, whether it's the steam engine, maybe the light bulb, but AI is transformational, and they're betting the farm on it.